Primetime news this evening. SSL fraud suspect yet to be questioned by law enforcement. NCB employee being questioned amid fraud allegations. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness talks tough about road traffic violations.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. With a preview of what's coming up in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Thank you so much, Kalisha. Well, in the financial week this evening, we're looking at the two interventions that the BOJ has done in the financial foreign exchange market so far this year. And also we have some special tips for you as it relates to budgeting. You don't want to miss that.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, there are more developments in the story of millions of US dollars being missing from sprint superstar Usain Bolt's account at a local investment firm. We'll tell you the latest developments in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more would you want to be done to protect your money in financial institutions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.